Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Fusion hood with a dead battery. First, you'll need to locate the interior fuse box, typically found on the driver's side, near the kick panel. Inside, you'll find a dedicated positive jump start terminal. This terminal is crucial because it allows you to supply power to the vehicle's electrical system, which in turn enables the electronic hood release mechanism to function properly. It's a clever design for situations like this. Now take your positive jumper cable, usually red, and connect it firmly to the positive jump start terminal you just located in the fuse box. Next, connect the negative jumper cable, typically black, to a clean, unpainted metal part of the car's chassis or engine block. This creates a good ground connection. Double-check that both connections are secure to ensure a stable electrical circuit. This temporary power will activate the hood release. With the auxiliary power now connected, you can proceed to release the hood. Go back into the driver's seat and firmly pull the hood release lever, which is usually located on the lower left side of the dashboard. You should hear the hood latch disengage. If the hood doesn't pop open immediately, gently try to lift it. If it remains stubbornly shut, carefully recheck all your jumper cable connections to ensure they are making good contact. Once the hood is unlatched, lift it all the way up and secure it safely with the prop rod, which is usually found attached to the underside of the hood. With the hood open, you now have full access to your Ford Fusion's main battery. You can then proceed to charge it, jump-start the car directly from the battery, or replace it if necessary. Remember to disconnect your auxiliary power source once the hood is open and secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.